Beautiful black girl. My name is Veronica. I live alone with my mother and father. So I was someone who really liked being alone. There was a big reason behind that. My skin is very dark, so compared to others, I felt like I was ugly. I also felt like if I went outside, people would make fun of me. That's why I stayed home all the time. Meanwhile, a boy came to our house saying he wanted to marry me. He is the son of a friend of our father's. His name was Jack. But I didn't like him because Jack was a very handsome guy. He could easily find a girl who's more beautiful than me. But Jack always said I was the most beautiful girl he had ever seen. One day, Jack came to our house with a letter. He handed it to me. When I opened and read it, I was surprised. A competition has been organized to choose the most beautiful girl in our village, and Jack had secretly submitted my name for it. As soon as I read the letter, I scolded Jack. I told him that someone like me doesn't belong in a contest like that. But Jack sincerely begged me to participate. He pleaded with me in such a heartfelt way. So, because of Jack's request, I decided to take part in the contest. Honestly, I thought it would just be a joke. Finally, the day of the contest arrived. I wore a long white dress. I combed my curly hair beautifully. Among many beautiful girls, I stood there waiting for the final judgment. Actually, I wasn't waiting for the results. I just wanted to finish it quickly and go home. I saw Jack looking at me. His eyes were full of hope and confidence. Suddenly, when my name was called out loud for everyone to hear, I stood there shocked. I even doubted whether I heard it right, but no, everyone was looking at me. Jack stood up and clapped loudly. My eyes filled with tears. Soon, a lady placed a crown on my head. You have beautiful skin. Protect it well. When that lady told me that, I felt a deep happiness. That meant I'm a truly beautiful girl. Thank you, God, for giving me this kind of beauty. Thanks for listening this story.